It's my season. It's my season. It's my turn. It's my season. It's my turn. I would never be broke another day in my life, and I would live the fullest of life in all God has for me. I am a champion. I will win.
Hey stars, it's your girl Skyla Star here with another video, and I'm coming to you with a super duper exciting video, and it is an unboxing video. This is typically probably going to be my last unboxing video for a while because I'm not really doing any shopping. Well, not for electronics or anything like that. So yeah. But I've been looking for another camera. As y'all all know, summertime is approaching, and I typically dabble into vlogging every once in a while in the summertime. As y'all all know, last year I did a video a day. Well, I tried to do a video a day in July, and yeah, that was kind of rough-ish for me. I went on vacation, all of that good stuff, but as you know, well, those of you that don't know, because I have a lot of new subscribers, welcome you guys. Welcome to the Star family. But I typically use my Sony a5000 for all of my videos, vlogging, my makeup tutorials, any video that I do on my channel. I typically use my Sony a5000, and if that's the only camera that I'm using, if anything happens to it, I'm basically screwed. So I decided to be on the market for a new camera, and I typically wanted it to be my vlogging camera, but after talking to a couple of Best Buy people, they told me that I could use my Sony a5000. I decided to use my Sony a5000 for my vlogging camera and my Canon M100 for my sit-down makeup tutorials. All my sit-down videos that you guys see on my channel would now be recorded on my Canon M100. Now, the reason why I'm doing a swap is because, one, the Canon has more megapixels, so that will be better quality for me and my videos. And two, I could connect it to my laptop and use my laptop as my monitor to make sure that I'm in focus. As of right now, the Sony a5000 can't do that. So yeah, I ordered it from off of Walmart.com because it was cheaper, and plus I got more stuff with it, of course. So if I could get it for cheaper and get more stuff with it, why not? So it came in the mail yesterday. I ordered it, what was yesterday? Well, by the time you're seeing this, it'll be a while from now. But I ordered it, I believe, maybe I ordered it Wednesday. Whatever the 16th was, that's when I ordered it. It came, it was supposed to come yesterday, which was a Friday, which was April 19th, but I wasn't home. Mommy duties. And I went to the post office to go pick it up for $4.20. So this is the box that it came in. And of course, it has my lovely last name on the side. So yeah, I didn't open it. I didn't get a sneak peek of it. Like, the box is still closed, all of that good stuff. So I don't know, like, exactly how it looked just off of what I seen on, you know, YouTube and other pictures. So yeah, I was gonna go to Best Buy to go look at it and play with it in a store, but when I did go to a Best Buy, the one that I went to, they didn't have it on display, and then the cameras that they did have on display, you couldn't even play with them. So here's a little story on why I chose this, because it was between this and the Canon T6. Now, they had the Canon T6 with an additional lens for $450. And all the videos that I seen on YouTube was basically telling me that it's a good photography camera. it wasn't really saying that it was good for like videos or anything like that. When I researched the camera, everything came up about the T6 was photography, photography, photography. And that camera doesn't have the flip up screen, flip out screen, nothing. So I really would have needed I really would have had to use my MacBook for a monitor because I wouldn't have been able to see myself. Then when I went to the Best Buy store in downtown Brooklyn here in New York, I spoke to one of the representatives. I guess he was techie in the camera department, and I was asking him, you know, which camera was better, and I told him what I needed it for. I told him I was a YouTuber, you know, all of that good stuff. All the logistics that a YouTuber has to say sometimes when we're in the camera section, I had to say all of that. So he basically told me that the M16, the M100 will be a better option for me, and that I should just swap out my Sony for my vlogging and make the Canon my regular camera. There you go. So let's just finish cracking this bad boy open with my kitty scissors that does wonders sometimes. And when I went to go pick this bad boy up from the post office, I had to basically give them everything but my social security number. They wanted me to verify. I had to sign for it. Then I had to type in my address or whatever the case may be on the little keypad thingy. And when I asked the lady, why did I have to do that? She was like, because it's an expensive package. So I'm like, oh, okay. I said, oh, so y'all don't steal expensive packages? Because I'm still trying to figure out what the hell happened to my package from February. But that's neither here nor there. So now the box is open. The first thing I see is the camera box. I'm so excited. Now, by no way, shape, or form am I making this video to brag or anything else. Girl, I'm struggling just like you. And sometimes as a single mom, you have to A, save up for stuff, or B, have people in your life that's willing to help you get to where you're trying to be. So yeah, that's typically how I was able to get my camera due to my birthday and everything else. So this is partially a birthday gift from myself and Bae. So yeah, first off, what I did get was some fundamental filter kit. And it includes a UV, CBL, and a ND8 filter. And it includes a filter wallet. So this came with it. And all of this came out to $400 and some change. I have to really look it up on my in my phone to see exactly how much I paid for it, but I think it was $464, I think, because the camera by itself was $392. I did get the warranty for 3 years for $34, so everything, and free shipping, so everything came out to about $464 and I believe 12 cents. I have 0.43x professional wide angle lens, so this came with it as well. I have no room to put this stuff. It also came with a 52mm telephoto lens, so this is that one. And I don't know what this is. This is a 58 to 52mm something. I don't know what this is, but this is in it too. This came with it too. on the side right here, I have a 32 gigabyte SD card. I have a little baggie to carry it in. Came with that. And dun da da da. Last but not least is the camera. Now I'm trying, it says please check content seal if broken. Okay. So upon opening it, it has the booklet. It has the battery, the charger port, I'm assuming, what is this? This must be the lens, yes. This is the lens. It's very light. This lens is very light. It's the lens. It has the wire. Why is this not raveled? Okay. What else? It has the neck strap, which I'm not really going to need. And last but not least, it has the body to the camera. Now let's open it up. Now, one thing that a lot of people, here is the body of the camera. And this screen does flip up. Now, what a lot of people was complaining about this camera is that it didn't have no grip thingy on the side. And I know my Sony has that. Like, if I was to vlog with it, I could hold it on the side and be comfortable with it. But they were saying online that you could just order a case to slide it in and that will be fine. So yeah, let's just see if it will turn on if I plug up, put the battery in. I like this. This is really cute. I like that. Okay, so goes in like this. I think. Oh, there. Yep. Now let's see if it just turned on. Well, let me connect the lens first. This lens is really light. Like, it's really light. I wasn't expecting for the lens to be this light, but it's super light. Okay, the lens is on. Take this off. I probably need to charge the battery first. Like, duh. Yeah, it's not coming on, so I'm assuming that the battery is completely dead because I'm holding the on/off button and it's not coming on. Now, also another reason why I wanted to use my Sony for my vlogging camera is because my Sony A5000 has a wind resistant function, and I don't think the Canon M100 does. So for me to be vlogging with this, I would have to get like a what is it called? little filter thingy that you could use for your, like your microphones. They do have it for cameras, and then I would have to figure out where the mic is and then put that over it so it could reduce some of the wind. So I don't want to be walking around with a furry thing all over my camera, even though it might be good. However, I really don't want to be walking around with that on my camera. So I'll opt out for my Sony and just use the feature for it that's inside of the Sony, built in already. But so far, I believe it would have been right here too. That's probably where it would have went, which would have been weird because when you vlog, when I'm vlogging, I'll be vlogging like this, and then I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna use this because this camera is, I believe it is 26 or 20 something megapixels. I don't remember off the top how many megapixels it is, but I know it's higher than my Sony. I know that for a fact. It is higher than a Sony. So, and I know that they say in Best Buy and any other place, the higher the megapixels, the better, you know, the pictures and the video quality and all of that good stuff. So yeah, that's it for that. Now, here's something else that I received in the mail, which is my business cards. As you all may know, I had business cards before, but I wanted a different look for my business cards. So I decided to go with this one right here. And for those of you that don't know, blue is my favorite color. That's why I have the blue lip. That is metallic, if you could see it shimmering in the light. And that is my business card. And then on the back, it just have, you know, like prices for my makeup stuff, my email address, what do you have to do, and all of that good stuff, how much everything costs, all of that. So yeah, those are my business cards. And I have a wallet that I ordered from off of Amazon a long time ago because I was supposed to then get business cards and I just never did. So I have a wallet, and I believe this could hold up to 50 business cards, but I have this wallet that I can slide my business cards in and keep them all nice and fresh. So this way the corners won't get bent up or anything like that. They'll be nice and crisp when I have to give out a business card. But I really like these. I like how the black and the blue goes together with the white. It's just really, really cute. So yeah, for all of my appointments and everything, you have to do email. And as of right now, until I do my website and get my domain and all my business licenses and everything else like that, I am only accepting Cash App for payments. And yeah, the Cash App, and you know, the remaining balance would be blah, 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 blah. Everything will be in the description bar below, so make sure you open that up. Or maybe I'll do it as the pinned comment. I'll do it as the pinned comment for my business cards. If you live in the New York area and you would like to get your face beat by your girl, you will have all that information in the pinned comment in the comment section, so you will be able to have all the logistics of everything on how to reach me and what do you have to do, how do you have to do it, all of that good stuff will be in the comment section. So that's it for this video. I don't know when I'm going to switch over to my camera. This might be the last video you see with me using my Sony a5000, but I will let you guys know. It'll scroll across the stream if I'm using my Canon, so that's how you'll know when I'm using my Canon. Is that it? Yeah, that's it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay blessed and stay sweet, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. So excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.